Once your tour is completed, you will receive an email from our team with links to your branded and unbranded published tours. These links can be shared anywhere, whether that's on your website, property portals such as NLS or KV Core, social media, or directly with your clients via email, messenger, or text. Simply click on your tour's published URL and your tour will automatically open in a new browser tab. Your clients are able to explore your tour immediately. If you lose your initial email with your tour links, that's no problem at all. You can access your published tour link at any time from inside your account. To do this, log into your EyeSpy360 account and click on the published link icon in the top right-hand corner of your chosen tour. This will open your tour's publish window. Under the Share heading, you will see your tour's published URL, which you can then copy directly. Inside your Publish window, there are also an array of options to share your tour directly to different platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, WordPress, Google, and email. If you're sharing your tour to a property portal or platform that has specific requirements, you can adjust your tour URL to add or remove specific features via the Settings section inside the Publish window. Our No Branding option removes logos added to your tour and removes your company name from your tour's URL. There are also additional options here to remove features such as our live video chat, pre-recorded tours, and lead generation, as well as others. When you make these adjustments inside the Settings section, this automatically generates a modified URL underneath the Share heading. You can then copy your new URL and share it wherever you wish.